Principle of mathematics. Transformation. The changing of a graph via vertical stretch or a compression, vertical or horizontal translation or reflection about x or y axis is called the transformation. Types of transformation. There are 5 types of transformation: vertical stretch, vertical compression, reflection, vertical translation, and last one is horizontal translation. Vertical stretch. The transformation whereby a graph is expanded vertically, resulting in a graph that is narrow. Y is equal to ax square. This is the equation of a parabola. Here a is the parameter of x square. As the value of a increases, the graph will be more stretched towards y-axis or narrow, which is shown in the diagram. First one is a blue curve where the equation is y is equal to or fx is equal to 0.1 x square. As the value of a increases from 0.1 to 0.3, the graph becomes more stretched towards y-axis. Similarly, when the value of a increases up to 3, the last equation is shown in the graph. Fx is equal to 3.0 x square. That has become a more narrow about y-axis, which is shown in the green color. Vertical compression. This is a reverse process of vertical stretch. The transformation whereby a graph is expanded horizontally, resulting in a graph that is wider. The more wider when the vertical compression. Here the graph in blue color is a more wider or more compressed about y-axis or vertically compressed. Reflection or a mirror image. The transformation whereby a graph produces mirror image with respect to a line which is referred to as an axis of symmetry. If the equation of a parabola is y is equal to x square, then the equation of a reflection of a parabola will be y is equal to minus x square. Here the parabola is shown in blue color, y is equal to x square, while the reflection of a parabola shown in red color. In this situation, the shape of a graph remains same. The shape of a graph remains same. Vertical translation. The transformation whereby a graph is shifted up or down. In this of shifting, the shape of a parabola does not change. Just position of a parabola changes. In the figure left hand side, the graph is shifted upward. The original graph is blue in color, while the vertical translation shown in the red in color, which is shifted upward. The position of a graph or a parabola changes. In the other figure, right hand figure, the parabola is blue in color, while the vertical translation is downward, which is shown in red in color. Shape of a graph unchanged, but the position of a graph changes. Vertical translation. The transformation whereby a graph is shifted up or down. In this of shifting, the shape of a parabola does not change. just position of a parabola changes, whether the parabola will go up or whether the parabola will go down. In the left hand figure, the graph in blue color, which is shown the parabola, while the vertical translation is shown in red in color, which is shifted upward. Similarly, on a right hand figure, the vertical translation shown in red in color, which is shifted downward. Horizontal translation, the transformation whereby a graph is shifted left or right. In this of shifting, the shape of a parabola does not change, just the position of a parabola changes, which is shown in the figure. The graph in gray color, while the horizontal translation shown in black in color. Here some different equation of a parabola where we are changing the parameter of x square. The first equation is y is equal to x square. Here x and y, the value of x, when the value of x is -2, the value of y becomes 4, value of x -1, value of y becomes 1. Similarly, value of x is 0, y is also 0. When x equal to 1, y is also equal to 1. When x equal to 2, y is equal to 4. In the second equation, y is equal to 2x square. Here the value of x -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and the value of y is 8, 2, 0, 2, 8. Similarly, in third equation, we decreases the value of a, or a coefficient of x square. X -2, 1, 0, 1, 2, value of y 2, 1, 0, 1 and 2. In these three equations, we see when we increase the value of a more than 1, 2, 3, any value can be put, the value of y changing or increasing rapidly. When the value of a is decreasing less than 1, 0.5, 0.6, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, any value, the value of y is changing slowly, which is shown in the graph.